Hello and welcome to my channel guys. So today we'll be unboxing and talking about the pros and cons of a budget phone, the Redmi 10 Prime. This phone has been launched last year, but there's less option in this price point of around 13,000 to 14,000 rupees. So with that, let's start the video with the unboxing. Here's the box I have received from Flipkart, and this is a 4 plus 64GB variant in Astral white color. Cutting up the box open, first we got the invoice and the price mentioned as 13,862 rupees. That's the total cost. And further, we have the box of the product in this white color. The packing is as usual Redmi style, nothing fancy. We got some specs and details mentioned on the back. Now let's get through the seals and check what all are included in the box. First, we got this white box with the ejector and the user manual, and also a case is included in this clear silicone style. Next, we got the phone, keeping aside for now. Further in the box, we have the included fast charger. The phone supports up to 18 watt of fast charging. Slow for today's standard, but this is what we got. USB cable. Now let's check the phone itself. And here it is. The Astral White seems to look better than in some online images. It looks nice in real. I like the color. It's kind of matte style, feels soft, but the material is hard. It is made of plastic. Coming to the camera setup, the phone has got a primary 50MP sensor plus an 8MP ultra wide plus a 2MP macro sensor plus a 2MP depth sensor camera. This kind of camera setup is better rather than other company providing a 2MP camera with just the primary camera. But here too, the other 2MP camera is just kind of useless. Well, on the side we have got a side mounted fingerprint sensor with volume button above it. On the top, a speaker grill along with the headphone jack, IR blaster and a second microphone. On the bottom, we have the main speaker, the USB port and the microphone. This phone has got a stereo speaker setup. We will also check that later in the video. Let's now turn the device on, check some functionality, features and camera quality. So the phone has booted up in this MIUI. Let's quickly check its Android version. And it is Android 11 with the MIUI version 12.5.3. Coming to the display, it seems very good in spite of being an LCD display. The dark mode also looks good. This panel also supports the 90Hz refresh rate for you to feel extra smooth in usage. Let's jump into the camera and check that too. The camera seems to be good. In indoor artificial lighting, the image quality seems to be better than the Moto G31 that I have made a video few days back, while both phones have similar kind of camera setup. Now, let's test out the speaker setup of this phone. So the bottom speaker sounds output is much louder than the top one. The bottom is providing around 70 to 80% of the sound, but the overall quality of the sound is good. It still produces a stereo sound. We need to keep our expectation low as this is a budget phone. And to conclude this video, I would say that it is a good phone for the price. The cameras are okay enough. The display is excellent in this price range. Though AMOLED display on the Moto G31 is on another level. And plus the battery of 6000 mAh is awesome. Also the phone is light to hold. The weight is around 192 gram. Just under 200 gram with a 6000 mAh battery. It is good. So if you are out there looking for a budget phone just under 14,000 rupees, include this phone in your list too.